So if you click the link I'll be leaving in the video description or on the comment section, it will bring you in this particular place. Then you will click on sign up with Google. All right, you click on sign up with Google, then different emails will pop up. You will select the email that you wish to sign up with. All right, select the emails you wish to sign up with. Let me select this for example. Then it will pop up like this. Then click on continue to prove that you are the owner of this email. All right, then you can see it now. Boom, guys. If you have already signed up a new account, to sign up here is very easy, and you can see my welcome bonus of 2 USDT there. All right, then if I go to this pin now to spin, you can see it now. I don't have any referral because I don't have any point to spin here, because only when you can spin here is when you invite a new user and that new user make a deposit of 5,000 naira. Let me go and make a deposit and show you how. But before I go to I go and make a deposit, let me also click on home to show you guys the exchange rate of this particular 2 USDT is 2,780 naira. All right, so let's go back to home. For you to make a recharge here, click on me. If you click on me, you can see two options here that is showing recharge and withdraw. All right, so let's click on recharge because we want to recharge here. Then you input the minimum amount you can recharge here is just 5,000 naira. Okay, just 5,000 naira. Then you can see the conversion rate in USDT. Then click on enter amount. Click on this green icon here that's showing enter amount. For you to, they will bring up an account number for you which you are going to use and make the payment. You can see the account number, the account name and everything. So all you have to do is copy the account number, head over to your mobile app and make the payment. All right, so let's go and do that real quick. So for you to make payments, go to your OPay or PalmPay or any app you are using, then make the payment of 5,000 naira. The minimum payment you can, if the minimum deposit you can make on that platform is 5,000 naira. So once you are here, click on transfer, click on bank, then click on the amount. I decided to use my OPay to make the payment. So if you are here, click on bank, then the account number you copy from the platform, then paste it here. It will bring out the bank name for you, then the account name. Click on continue, put the exact amount you selected you imputed in that platform. Click on pay now, then boom, guys, I have made this transaction. Then the money will be sent. All right, if you are encountering issue with your OPay or PalmPay, you can use any other bank, or you can go to POS. They will help you and deposit the money. So I'll click on done right here. Then I'll now go back to the app. So I'll go back to the app here, click on I've transferred this money. So you wait for them to rectify it. All right, just make sure you are clicking on this place that say I've transferred this money. Okay, make sure you are clicking here. In a twinkle of an eye, within a minute or two, they will rectify the your payment on their own platform. Then they will show you a successful transaction on the screen. All right, by maybe when you stay for like 5 to 10 seconds, you will click on it. Then between 2 to 3 minutes, they will credit the money into your account. All right, so let's wait for them to rectify that. So you can also refresh this page to check if they have rectified it. All right, I told you guys it will take time for them to rectify that. They have finished rectifying it. Now you can see payment successful. So now you can proceed back to home to purchase a product. All right, then let's click on go back to home. Let's click on go back to home. It will bring you here. Just take this back, take it back again, then go back again. You can see it now. The money I deposited has already reflected here. All right, you can see it says already reflected here. So for you to purchase product, just go to home. This is the product I will advise you to purchase as a new user. This one, the particular product of one day, right? This one allows user to earn more higher reward. So you can only purchase this particular product once. Like this plan, you can only activate it once. So once it expires at the end of 24 hours, they will give you your 2 USDT, the 5,000 you deposited, and your commission for the end of 24 hours. Then you now withdraw everything, then head over to this one of 7 days. If you are done, you go to this one of 15 days, so, and so on and so forth. So I'm still at level 1. I'm still at level 1 right here. That is why all these ones are not being unlocked, right? All these ones, that is why they have not been unlocked. So if I got to this place now, they will unlock all this higher reward for me. All right, I told you guys we get a welcome bonus once you deposit. So you get a spin chance. So let's go to spin now. Go to spin. You can see it now. I have one spin here to spin. All right, I have one available spin here. So all I have to do is click on spin. If I click on spin, it will roll. Then it will bring up this thing like this. So you can see my reward have been credited into my account. So if you go back now, you can see everything. So let's go ahead and purchase products. I'll click on this 1 day. Minimum you can enter here is 5. So if you enter 5, your balance will still be in your account. So click on submit. You can see it here. The 1 day product is no more there, right? You can see the 1 day product is no more there. It's now the 1 day product is no more there. It's now 7 days, 15 days, and so on. You can see it says 7 days, 15 days, and so on, and 90. So once you get to level 2, they will unlock all these ones down here for you. Okay, for you to check how your product is, the plan you purchase is going, click on me. If you click on me, then go back. If you are here, click on my income. You can see it here. So by this time, next 24 hours, by 6:24 a.m. tomorrow morning, my revenue, my capital, and the 2 USDT I got from welcome bonus will be added into my account. I can now withdraw it and go and put it in this particular, and use it to purchase a product in this particular one, or in this one, or in this one. All right, so you need to join their WhatsApp group where you can meet other members that are participating on this particular platform. Is not it's not one of those platforms that will come to the town and run away with your money. This one, they have physical office at Aba. Yeah, they have physical office at Aba. So I'll be leaving their WhatsApp group on the video description and on the pinned comment as well. So do well to join it, so you can be getting ideas on how to, when they are about to give out bonuses to their participators. So if you want to withdraw, click on me here. Minimum withdrawal is just 2.4 USD. So click on withdraw here, then enter the amount here. Enter the amount you want to. First of all, enter the bank. Then select your bank here. Enter the amount, and the bank. The bank, you can see the 1 USDT here is equal to 1,217 naira. So if you have up to 2.4 USDT, you can go ahead and place your withdrawal. All right, I'll be leaving you guys here. I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Peace.